Okay, welcome back, folks. Jeez. So, it's another early morning here at Chalice Ponds, day 2. Day 1 was successful. And we got a trout and a couple other little things in the water. So, I thought, since before it's about to rain, and when it rains, I mean, not the ponds, they don't do anything wrong, but when it rains, it gets, a lot of the warmer water fish, they go underneath, and they kind of hibernate. So, right now, what we're going to do is we're going to see what we can get by the end of those, and then when it starts raining, we're going to be doing a lot more salmon fishing, because it's going to start pushing all those coho through. They're kind of spotty right now, but they will be back in the rivers. So right now we are going to do that. It is 8:10 or something like that this morning. We're going to do the same thing, just repeat, rinse and repeat. That's what we're going to do today. Throughout the 2 rods, one's going to be on the bottom, the other one's going to have the top bobber and the little grubs and things like that. We're still going to be working out of that box that we got, the 302-piece box. We've caught quite a few fish on those things. Amazon, if you guys went back in my other videos, and I think it's called Pananos, something. 302 Amazon a piece kit, Amazon box. It has quite a few things that you need. So pick one up. I mean, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but definitely give it a shot. So anyway, we're going to do that. I'm going to throw on some stuff, and I am tired for this. I have a lot of I'm doing a lot of work and getting a little less sleep. So I'm going to put you guys right here on our shelf that we found yesterday. There's our shelf. Alright, there's the pond. You know what, I think I'm going to put a lighter weight on than yesterday, because this is just our extra scent chartreuse glitter power bait. It's kind of my go-to. Personally, I like the original chartreuse better, and I also like the, well, I'd have to say the brown one of these power bait plastic bobbers things. I love those. The brown one, it's the worm smell, garlic worm smell. So since I don't have that, what I've been doing, scissors, trim that. Just kind of give that a little trim so that way it's not so dangly. And since I don't have the garlic worm brown ones, I've been putting on this garlic worm Procure scent. And just put it right on top of that yarn. And the yarn I use for salmon and steelhead. They seem to love grabbing yarn. Give me a sec. All the fish that I was seeing yesterday was right through close. But honestly, I'm barely going to cast on it. I don't cast very much. What I'm going to do is, we don't need bobbers. Just pull up my line like this, and kind of just like that. Put my chest stuff on. So yesterday we were catching them on this grub. I'm going to use the grub again because that was delightful, but I want to use the bloodworm. Let me see if I can catch anything off this bloodworm. I might use 2 bloodworm. Don't know why. Sometimes fish are greedy, you know. Like I said, yesterday we were using the grub and the pink shrimp, and the shrimp only had like two little nibbles. The grub is what caught all the fish that we caught on this rod yesterday. But what do with my bloodworm I just lost? Bloodworm. Awesome. So I guess we're not using 2. No, it's not those 2. We're using the 1. think one just might work, actually. I think I'm just going to hook it in the middle. That's probably not right. There's little glitter pieces in it, too. Give it a nice little shine. Startled winch or something. I don't know why. Doesn't seem to be as busy as yesterday. Oh, something big just moved. Oh, shit. Something big just moved right there. I don't know if that was a frog or a fish, to be honest. Let me see if I can get my glasses and see it. Let's see what I can find. Try to be stealthy. Oh, that didn't work like I planned. But, oh, hey. There's a fish coming up. Get down. Oh, it's where it was. It's not necessarily where I wanted to throw it, but I want to throw it on the other side. I'm wondering if that was a frog that did that. I'll still catch a frog. So hard to see right now. Huh. I think that's a frog. A frog? Let's see if I can't catch this frog. If it's a frog. If that's a frog. I think that's a froggy. Could be wrong. It sure looks like a fucking frog. That's what it's not. It's a frog. Got him. Got him, guys. You guys see that? Look at that. I got a baby frog. He's just a baby. Aww, so tiny. Barely saw him there. Got him. Look at that. Caught me a baby frog. Now, if I was mean, actually I kind of want to do it, but it's not what we're here for today. We're not here for catfish. Although that would be nice. But that's how you catch a baby frog, guys. Any kind of frog, really. I've caught so many this year on a hook. Just a hook and a worm. Doesn't matter what kind of worm. Apparently plastic. Oh, hey, come on. I almost got you. Just hang on. Now, the best way to get these guys off, I've found, is don't put them on the ground. Put them on the ground. They'll jump real quick. So what we do is we grab the hook, okay, and then we grab the hook, and we, oh, shh. Stop it. Oh, he's upset now. Stop. We'll jump here. Stop fussing. Oh, he's so cute. Stop fussing. No, stop it. Don't want to hurt you. I really don't want to hurt you. But you got to get their back. Okay, come on. All right, fine. He's down now. He's off the hook. There you go. Let me pick you up. Not gonna let me pick you up. All right, buddy. Just gonna sit there for a minute. Here he goes. The famous frog dive. I barely saw him sitting there. That was amazing. I just sat there and all I saw was little bitty eyes just sitting there staring. I was like, is that a frog? I guess. Put that little worm in front of him and sure grabbed it. There he goes. But yeah, that's how you catch a frog with the fishing rod. Been doing it all year. So the more you know, right? I had so much fun coming to this pond. It was awesome. Alright, I'm gonna spin you guys back around and hopefully catch some more stuff. Alright, so frogs like bloodworms. I guess apparently. He would have been great for catfish. I'm gonna go back to that grub. That grub seemed to be a money maker. I see the old one in there. I grabbed a new one just in case. Maybe the old one. I made a mistake there doing that. Let's put this guy on. How did I have it on last time? I think I'm just gonna go right through the middle. Just gonna go right through the middle and kind of let him hang. Like that. Just like that. If you guys can see that. I have a hard time keeping my line from. I'll put some garlic juice on it, just because. The frog was. Oh, he's so tiny. Those are the ones I want to take home and make a little aquarium for it. Start a frog farm. Let's see if we can get that perch or its big brother. That was an awesome score yesterday. Oh, something quite big just swam by. I wonder if that was another trout. I know you guys can't see down there, and this is why. Here, I'll stop this for a second. You know all the times that I'm talking about this fish I see underwater? That's the whole reason why I started YouTube with the underwater camera. And so that way you can see what was actually underwater, what I see with these glasses, what I feel with the rod, and what we hook into, but you guys don't see us land sometimes because it comes off. But the camera's underwater, so you get to see that. And unfortunately, in my haste of things, I had forgot to zip up one of my bags where the camera was, and now we don't have the camera anymore. And so now I got this camera, which isn't the best camera, especially for underwater footage. It's not the best. So in order to get that, I need to get a GoPro Hero. So what I would like you guys to do is I would like you to go down, comment, like, subscribe, share this video, get as many people as you can to subscribe to us and watch these videos, so that way I can be monetized and I can actually afford a new camera. Because as a working man, I can't really afford a hamburger. So please, just help me out, help us out, especially if you like this kind of content. I can get up in the morning, we can go catch some fish, catch some frogs, and then I get to work, and it's make some money too that way. But anyway, I'm done pleading with you. Please do your thing, and let me get you out of the sun, because no one likes sun shots. They'll always catch something. I'm tired of fooling around. All this tomfoolery. Also, with as busy as this pond is, I'm surprised we got the same exact. Now that was a fish right there, I believe. Did you just hook a fish? No, I see a fish. Someone hooked it. Yeah, that's a rod and line. It's a nice fish. Someone just snagged, it's not snagged, just nailed a fish right over there. I'm sure you guys saw that. So hopefully that could be us soon. Oh, my bad. I didn't see that bobber there. Oh, see, that's what I meant. Hold on, my bad. Yeah. Now, just reel it in and see what happens. Huh, it just keeps wanting to go down. No, I'm letting you reel it in and then just see if you can't get me back out.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, right when I cast it too, I was like, wait, is that a bobber?
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just barely saw it as I was throwing it out. Should be able to just toss me out. Oh, I'll give you some more line. I don't want to end up in the pond. What happened? I thought it was just a hook. Okay. Oh, funny. See, guys, what happens sometimes when you're fishing. You guys got to be patient. Not just with the fish, but with everything else. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to throw yours back out.
Okay. Nope.
Oh.
Did it work?
Yeah, I got a little bit. Go ahead and reel.
I'm going. Nope.
Let's see here.
Hold on. I'll come over and get it. Now I got it. Where you at? Ah, I got you.
Here you go.
Here. Let me do a toss.
Okay.
Let me see that.
Okay.
I'll get where you're at. Oh, sorry,
there
my
we
bad.
go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's crazy. Hopefully it gets out there far enough.
It probably won't.
Did this help?
This might. No, that would probably make it worse.
Oh.
Here, let me see if I can. Nope. I was going from this side. Whoa!
Okay. Oh.
Oh. Damn. Well, this isn't what I was planning on doing today, guys.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, shit. That's not what I wanted to do. Damn. Huh.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
This thing wants to do everything but what I need it to do right now.
Yeah.
It's all right. I'll take it.
Yeah.
It's a good spot.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Huh. Jeez. That was tough. All right, I think we're gonna keep looking at these fish. All we have is a little frog so far, and one guy caught a fish there, and then another guy took my line with him. Whatever. So I'm starting to see some more fish action. So we're gonna hopefully, because the sun's coming up, we're gonna start seeing some more sunfish, maybe some more perch, hopefully bass or two, and if I'm lucky, we'll get ourselves a nice big trout again. Go home, then I can have some. If I have 2 or 3, make some smoked trout. I only got 1, might just fry one up. Me and Nick, little Icky loves fish. He loves it so much he literally, well, after I was gutting and everything, cleaning it, I should say, literally after I was cleaning the fish, he decided that he was going to dispose of the remains himself, and that got all over the place, all over my house, and the lady is really happy. It smells like trout. So, it's my fault. Anyway, I'm gonna strap you guys in. We're gonna do some casts to see if we can't get anything. Alright, we locked and loaded. No one's coming out, I don't think. Alright, let's see what I got going on here. Oof. I'm going to cast over this way because apparently that's where the bass and stuff like to hang out. And yesterday I was seeing all the trout swimming around here, and that's one reason why I just casted right here. So hopefully one of them just runs into it and is like, hey, it's mine. And I had 1 hit on this grub. What time is it? So it's 8:50, 8:49, 8:50. I only have until about 10 before I have to start packing up, and I have to be out here by 10:30. So I'm going to put my phone on silent because I'm tired of that annoying me. Should probably put that in the bag too. Alright. First off, there's something right there. So whatever that was, just moved. First off, I want to see if there's any frogs. That's what I really want to see. Is there any frogs? I think there's a baby frog if there's a frog, but I don't. A little bitty frog. So you gotta look down right along the bank here, and then what you're looking for is you're looking for eyeballs. You can't look for the actual frog, or you just gotta look for eyeballs, and you'll find eyeballs just staring at you. And that's how I catch mine, is I just sit there and look and look. Oh, there's a big ass fish right here. There is a big ass fish right there. if you guys can see this, but there's a big fish sitting right here. It's tailing a lot. No, I did not just do that, did I? Sometimes I just do it. I did, didn't I? He's right there. Alright, because that's what I needed. That's what I needed. Trying to do it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a big fish sitting right here. And I, for the life of me, am not going to figure out how to get it. So, where he went, he is sitting right here. I don't know where it went, but it was huge. Anyway, I came over here, one reason, to see if I couldn't find a little fish, but I found a huge fish, and then it disappeared. Maybe I'll just give that fish a break for a second. What time is it? 9:08. Not doing too bad, guys. Not doing too bad. Giving that one fish over there a break. I see another frog. I'm going to see if a grub is moving for us. Oh, stupidness. You guys can see there's a frog right there. Let's see if I can't get him to right the ground. It's not that committed. It's kind of funny. He's just staring at it. He's whacking at it. I felt that whack, actually. I wonder if it's the same frog. Oh, got it. It is the same little damn frog. Well, the grub works. Hold on, buddy. I'll get you off. As I got you. No, it's a different frog. I think it's a different frog. It's small, though. Hold on. Hold on. Oops. Maybe we can do that better for you. Hold on, bud. No. Grab your back. Nope. Oh, that's not what you're supposed to do. Don't let go with your fingers. Hey. It's on your tongue. I got it. There we go. Oh, they take off. They take off so fast. Go. Yeah, it's a different one. I think the other one was even smaller. Alright, we got 2 frogs for the day. I'm going to get them back in the water. Get in there. So that's frog number 2. Okay. No. I think I did it. Yeah. Alright. She's that leader. And that's it, folks. That's all we got time for today. I gotta get to work, and I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anybody that you think would like it. And you know, it was a great day. Caught 2 frogs, saw some fish jump, a couple caught over there. Hey, there's always tomorrow. All right, catch you on the next.